Hello, welcome to Jet Mathematics. I remain your host, Milton Ebiwari John. Today we'll continue from our previous lesson and we are looking at addition and subtraction of surds. We have several examples on the board, so I'll just quickly show you how to add and subtract surds. Though it's quite very easy to do that. So first example, we have 3 root 3 root 3 plus 5 root 3. Okay, these are very simple examples. Now because we have this to be root 3 and this to be root 3, we call this kind of surd similar surds. We call them similar surds. It's just like you having 3a plus 5a. So you already know this gives you 8a because these are they are like terms, right? So likewise in surds, because here is root 3 and here is root 3, we call them similar surds. They are like terms, and so we can simply add the, should I say, the coefficient now of root 3's. So when we have 3 plus 5, that simply gives us 8 root 3. Pretty easy, right? Okay, the same approach for this. This is 2 root 2 and this is minus 5 root 2. Now because this is root 2 and this is root 2, they are similar, so we can simply subtract. So we have 2 minus 5. 2 minus 5, that is minus what? 3. So we have minus 3 root 2. So very easy to add and to subtract. So let's quickly see the other examples over there. This example says root 4 plus root 3 plus root 3 minus 8 root 2. Now we already know that root 4 is 2. Okay, let me just write out the question again. Root 4 plus 3 root 3 plus 5 root 3 minus 8 root 2. Okay, now we know root 4, square root of 4 is 2. Now we can add these two together. 3 root 3 plus 5 root 3. They are like terms, so we can add them up, and then that gives us 3 plus 5. That gives us 8 root 3 minus 8 root 2. So this is minus 8 root 2. Now when you look carefully, this is 2, a whole number. It's not a surd. This is not a surd, and this is 8 root 2. This is a surd. This also is a surd. But this surd and this surd are not similar. They are not similar surd because here is root 3 and here is root 2. And so there's nothing we can do about this question. We'll stop there. We can add them. There are no like terms there. It's just like you having 2a plus 3b. There's no way you can add 2a plus 3b plus 2. There's no way you can add this because they are not like terms. This is 2a, this is 3b, this is 2. So you can't add them. Likewise in surd, because here is root 3 and here is root 2, you can't add them. Okay, so this is our answer to this question. And lastly, this one, very easy. Sometimes math questions can sometimes be tricky. So sometimes you see this kind of question, root 8 plus 5 root 2. You may think that, they are not like terms. You just want to stop and say that's the answer. No, we can simplify this. We can break this into root 2. So our 8 is the same thing as writing square root of 4 times 2. Our 8 is square root of 4 times 2, which is plus 5 root 2. And then I told you in our last video that you can break this to root 4 times root 2 plus 5 root 2. So when you break this, you have here 2 times root 2 is root 2 plus 5 root 2. So you now see that they are similar source now, that this is 2 root 2 and this is 5 root 2. So we can simply add them, 2 plus 5, that gives us 7 root 2. Alright, so that's the solution to that problem. Please don't forget to like, to share, and to comment on this video. Bye.